Pandora's just having some of a birthday present. It were a massive bell type thing filled, well, made up of all these sunflower seeds and millet and whatnot. I don't know what that head bobbing is. I've no idea what it is. But anyway, birthdays start at year. But I would imagine this stuff isn't really good for them, so I put it away anyway. She's she's having some more of it today, so I'll let her have. I'll let her have a mess with it today, and maybe tomorrow, and then I'll put it away again. If anyone knows what that head bobbing is, can you let me know in comments below, please? It's comical, but it must mean something. But I can't find what it is. She does it to me when she's on my shoulder all the time. I don't necessarily think she's eating so much. I just think she just absolutely. Them monkey nuts I just give her anyway. Just give her something to chew. I just think she's breaking it up more than anything else. I've put a different focus on me phone as well, so hopefully the videos will be a lot better than they have been, being out of focus all bloody time.